I wonder what's inside this projector from 2002. Is that the globe? I believe that would be the globe. Are you coming out, screw? No? You will. You get there. Oh, there it goes. I've never opened one of these. Should be interesting. Woo! Whoa!
I love lamp.
Yeah, that's a globe. Zing! That's a dope looking fan in there. It's pretty cool. It's super clean too. Well, from this angle. Aha! Oh, the dust filter. What do you know? What's that doing over there on the thing? You know what? Let's just open it up. Maybe we'll answer our own questions. Whoa! Okay, so there's a lot more in here than I thought there would be. Just stay still. Leg. Whoa! There's the little shitty speaker. Keep that. There's a massive screwdriver for it. Screws. Always keep your screws. Guessing that's another thing. There is like 1, 2. I reckon that's 3 fans. I'll take this air filter out. Alright. Is that a thermometer on there? Probably. Ooh! That looks like a beastie little fan. There's like 3 fans on this. That's awesome. I'm so glad I have this. There's gonna be so much cool stuff in it. Once we get through all the P-looking circuit boards out of the way. Infrared sensor for the remote. Whee! Don't need that. Speakers can be unplugged because I'm going to keep that one. That's pretty cool, man. Alright, let's take off this little daughter board here. This is the control panel. Go out. Cool. Is this thing gonna come out? Not yet. Ooh, screw. Ah! Another coffee over. Right, I'm just gonna unplug. Shit. Just so everyone's aware, hasn't been plugged in for years. So not concerned. Oopsie. That's why you gotta be gentle with ribbon cables. They're really, really fragile. See? Luckily, we don't care. We have mirrors, lenses, fans, crappy screws. Why do you want this? Don't know. One day, I'll find a use for it. This glare must be terrible. Don't need that anymore. terrible shot. Go. That's nice. There's a lot going on here. It's way above my pay grade. Oh, shit going on. Oop. Oh, it's a fusible link. Oh, it's a diode. I don't know. One or the other. And the other's fan out. What's this? Is this coming out? Yeah. That's gonna get dirty. Alright. This fan out's the nice looking blower fan. Oh, it's all the way down there. We're gonna have like a periscope type thing going. Ooh, that looks shiny. This is getting complicated very fast. I may have bitten off more than I can chew with this one. But when in doubt, push harder. Oh, there's another fan! This is like 1, 2, 3, 4 fans, all of varying orientations. That's awesome. I'm so happy that we've got fans. It's one thing that I always find I love to have most of, just little electronics fans that can do like random as things, like these little and it's got a little mount too. Like, oh, look at it. That's awesome. Let's see. What is it? It's a... There's a 12 volt. It's 0.8 amp. That's 0.08. Oh, I thought it was 0.8 amp. That'll blow some air. Keeping you. You're staying. You're mounting here somehow. Oh, I'm an idiot. That way. Cool, like that. It's awesome. And this one, we're gonna get the big boy blower fan out of this side. Oh, okay, maybe not. There's so many like high voltage lines everywhere. How high powered were we thinking? Well, I can get out under there. Let's get all the fans out. Oh, that's your power supply, and then I'm guessing it transfers AC power over to this side for a reason. The reason which for me is not understood, but I just like taking things apart. This should be left out. Beautiful. Ooh, look at that shine. Ooh. That's pretty cool. Anybody else feeling tripped out by that, or is it just Ooh. Whoa. Hey-oh. Oh, that's what they are. Alright. These ribbons are the things that take the power, all the signals. Whoop! Screw. To the LCD screen that I'm assuming is in here. And I'm guessing RGB or any combination in a certain... Oh, there's a blue on this one. See that? Blue. And the other side. Red. I don't see a green one, but who knows? I bet there's something cool to do with this stuff. There's something we could do with this, I'm sure. Ooh. Oh. colours. Alright, moving on. This. Keeping this. Now, this. Wow, that fan has a duct and it blew out through here to where the globe was. So all of the hot air ended up here. So, oh, I guess that's like fresh air. Oh, we're gonna get this fan out. I wanna have a look at this one. Get off. Woo-hoo-hoo! Where did that go? That's coming up through this, I guess. Because that was sitting on there. And all these are blowing up through there, so it's blowing up through this. Whatever that means. This fan has got a temperature probe on it as well. I'm keeping that. But I've not seen a fan with an intake temp on it before. It's cool. Another fan to add to the pile of cool fans that I now have. So, I'm taking the next step, I think. Get these bad boys out, they have to remove. But, where's my tiny boy? No, tiny boy! Nope. The bottom one? Maybe not. Oh, we've solved it. Here I am jumping the gun on these tiny little screws. Whatever it is, you guys probably couldn't see any of that. Not to worry. Oh, that. Ooh, it's a dually. It's this one. You guys cannot see again because I am not adjusting my zoom or focus or anything. Ah, it was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Another pretty dope looking fan. It's not a dually this time. There's a lot going on in here, isn't it? Hello, Griffin. Yeah. We're taking the power supply apart. Well, sorry. It's not a power supply. It's a projector. Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's really old. No. Well, it probably would get warm, but, you know. No, you can't. It's not working anymore. When I don't have to put it back together, it's fine. You know what? I'm just happy to take it apart for this, because I've got some cool stuff in here. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's cool. Thanks for adventuring with me, guys. Hope the rest of your day is amazing as these light patterns. See you in the next one.